The sun and rain once fought for attention. In a vibrant sky, the sun shone brightly, casting warmth and light on everything it touched. It beamed with pride, declaring that without its light, nothing can grow. Just below, dark clouds gathered, droplets forming as rain spilled forth, eager to prove its own worth. Rain argued that without its nourishing touch, the land would dry up. Then came a surprising moment. The sun flickered behind a cloud, and the rain fell harder, splashing around. For a moment, everything looked sad and gray, devoid of color. After the rain stopped, something remarkable happened. The sun re-emerged, illuminating the droplets still clinging to the leaves. Together, they created a mesmerizing spectacle, a burst of color splashing across the sky. In that moment, the two realized they were both essential. The sun needed the rain to bring life, and the rain needed the sun to create beauty. Together, they conjured a brilliant rainbow, bridging the divide between them. As the rainbow stretched from horizon to horizon, its vibrant colors left both sun and rain in awe. They understood that their union brought joy and wonder to the world below. In the aftermath, flowers bloomed and laughter filled the air, all thanks to their newfound partnership. A gentle reminder transformed their rivalry into respect. The sun and rain learned harmony through the most beautiful creation, the rainbow. Working together made their individual powers shine brighter. Whenever you see a rainbow, remember that unity creates beauty.